Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Stone Floor Garage. Now, I'm working on a vehicle that some may have had this issue. Have you ever had, where is it? These guys. They're called locking nuts on your car. I have them on my van. I don't know why you'd want locking nuts on a van, but the key for that locking nut has disappeared. So on these locking nuts, there is a collar in which if you try to hammer something on there, it just spins. As you can see, I've been mutilating that a little bit. However, if you take a 22 mil and you hammer that sucker on there, it's really tight, but you hammer it on there, you will break that collar. And once that collar is out of your way, then you can use an extractor that undoes the locking nut. So, let's get to it. I think it broke. Bingo bango. As you can see, that little space there now. So after breaking the little spinny part on that locking nut, this one didn't go as easy as the other side. I did the other side before I got on camera. So what I ended up having to do was, this is the 21 mil. I ended up having to sledgehammer the 19 mil onto that thing just to break it free. Now that it's broke free, I can use this 21 mil and hopefully get it off. And there you have it. Lock nut broke off. Now, I am not obviously putting locking nuts back on this vehicle. I just went and bought a factory style lug nuts that will go back on there. I'm not too worried about somebody stealing my 17-inch factory van wheels. Not a concern. But anyways, the real reason why I wanted to get these off is I'm going to be doing a job where I have to replace the rear hubs and brakes and hardware. Stay tuned.
Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about.